What if one government-backed loan could help first-time buyers purchase a fixer-upper with just 3.5% down and let current homeowners refinance while funding major renovations, all in the same mortgage payment? As a home inspector, I've seen this transform hundreds of properties. Hey, good people, I'm Inspector Q with ProInspect Solutions. In the next 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to explain exactly how the FHA 203k loan works, whether you're buying your first home or upgrading the one that you already live in. We're breaking it all down step by step. So what is a 203k that everyone is referring to? Let's talk about it. It's a federal backed loan that lets you buy and renovate a home with one mortgage or refinance the current home and fund repairs at the same time. So what does this mean? One loan, one application, one closing, one monthly payment. It's designed for first-time home buyers who want to turn a fixer-upper into a dream home, or homeowners looking to upgrade, modernize, or repair their current home. This is not your average mortgage. The 203k is built for transformation, perfect for first-time home buyers with big visions and homeowners who need serious upgrades. Now, there are two versions of this loan, and knowing this difference is crucial. The first version is the limited 203k. This version allows up to $75,000 in renovation costs for non-structural changes like flooring, kitchens, bathrooms, painting, roofing, and etc. Now, there are no major redesigns or room additions allowed in this particular version. This is perfect for buyers updating finishes in older homes or homeowners doing cosmetic improvements. Version number 2 is the standard 203k, which allows you over $75,000 and includes structural work. You'll need a HUD-approved consultant, and that's where we come in to assist you with that. This can also cover major changes like foundation work, layout changes, or additions to the home. This one is best if the home needs serious rehab, or if you're gutting and redesigning, or you want to make the home truly your home, which means customized. Now, the limited is like a facelift. The standard is more like major surgery. Both work depending on your house needs. Let's talk about what you need to qualify. The credit score. You need a minimum of 580, which is low compared to conventional loans. The next is a down payment, just 3.5% for home buyers. Next is the equity. You need to have equity in the property as a homeowner if you're doing a refi. So if you don't have equity home, this is a bummer. Next is the income verification. You must show the ability to repay the loan. And finally, the primary residence must be your only home. So no second homes or investment properties allowed for this funding. So yes, this is a powerful move for both versions of the loan, but it's not for everyone. You don't need perfect credit or a giant down payment, but you do need a clear plan, a live-in intent, and yes, there is paperwork involved. So here's how it actually works from start to finish. Number 1, you get a pre-approved 203k lender. Number 2, you work with a HUD consultant, and that's where ProInspect Solutions steps in. We'll assess the property, suggest rehab items, and ensure that the property qualifies. Number 3, you'll have to get contractor bids. Now, you can only get bids from licensed and approved professionals, so no family members should be included in this bid process. Number 4, the lender wraps up your purchase or refinance plus rehab costs into one loan. Number 5, funds are dispersed in stages as repairs are completed. And number 6, inspections are done at each draw. Yes, we can handle that as well. Expect 6 to 8 months from the time that you're approved to complete a rehab, but the results are endless and you're ready to move into your personalized home. Let's look at 2 real scenarios. The first scenario is a first-time home buyer purchasing a home at $180,000 with $40,000 in renovation costs. So there's a total of the loan for the 203k of $220,000. The mortgage payment is based on the $220,000 and not just the purchase price. Scenario number 2 is a homeowner refinancing a $250,000 mortgage that needs $35,000 in upgrades to the home. This payment or this particular upgrade will be rolled into the home into one loan with a single payment. Here's the beauty. Both get their dream home without needing a second loan, credit card debt, or out-of-pocket renovation costs. So what's next for you? Talk to a 203k approved lender, get a pre-approval in hand, call us at ProInspect Solutions with licensed 203k inspectors ready to walk you through the HUD consulting process, whether you're buying, refinancing, or planning a major rehab. The 203k is your cheat code, but only if your inspection is done right. At ProInspect Solutions, we specialize in 203k inspections that help you qualify faster, avoid costly delays, and renovate with confidence. Let's start your project the smart way. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever used a 203k loan or are thinking about it. We'll love to navigate you through that process. We'll see you in the next video.